All right, we're at the Bird, back where it all started. Neil's getting taped up. Haven't been here in about 5 years. Haven't really posted on here for a couple of years, so it'd be cool to be back. Let's get after it. All right, right out of the parking lot. All right, that was a little loose. I gotta keep her wrung out at the top. Can't really chug. Front brake works. I'm going to sweat a lot today. If you stay to the left, 1 foot to the left is a 15-foot drop off. Okay. So don't go too far left. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Yep, that was scary. That was just for the camera. So eventually, once I get more shit, the moss drug off of it and the run end's better, like eventually I want to try to hit it. That's a pretty abrupt hit at the bottom. Yeah, it is. Yeah! I mean, like I said, they make it look so easy, but it's just like there's so many things I see to... Oh boy.